Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change eBay personal account to business. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your eBay account and click on My eBay at the top right corner. Then select Summary. The main reason you might want to switch from a personal to a business account is for tax purposes. If you sell products totaling over $500, eBay requires you to convert your account to a business one. Next, go to the Account section. Here you will see your account type, either individual or business. If you have made at least 3 sales in the past year, you will see an Edit button next to your account type. Click on Edit and select Business to convert your personal account to a business account. If you do not see the Edit option, it means you have not met the sales threshold. You need to have at least 3 sales in the last year before eBay allows this change. Once you switch, your account will be updated accordingly, and you can handle your sales with a business account's benefits. So that's basically how you can change eBay personal account to business. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.